If you bought a whole lot of bread and it's starting to go stale and you're not sure what to do with it, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazingly delicious and easy to make bread pudding. You're going to need 3 eggs and about 10 slices of bread, which you will have buttered on both sides. You're going to have a greased oven-proof baking dish. You can put raisins in, it's optional. I'll put raisins in because I like raisins. Alternatively, you could put some apricot jam in. You're going to need 2 cans of condensed milk. And once you've emptied out the cans of condensed milk into your mixing bowl, you're going to fill the can of condensed milk with boiling water. So you'll end up with 2 cans of boiling water. You're going to have a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you can put in some cinnamon as well, just for a little bit extra. And that's all the ingredients you're going to need to make the most, I promise you, the most amazing bread pudding ever. So my first step is going to be to cut this bread into little blocks and put it into this oven-proof dish. Okay, the bread that's been cut into blocks is in the baking dish. I'm now going to add in about 2 handfuls of raisins. Raisins are in. Now I am going to put in the 2 cans of condensed milk and add the 3 eggs to the condensed milk and the teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'll be mixing it all together before adding in the 2 cups of hot water. If you haven't got all the condensed milk out the cans, don't panic, because when you put the boiling water in, you'll get it all out. But you need to now mix your 3 eggs in with this condensed milk. It's important to mix the eggs in very carefully before adding the boiled water, because you don't want to end up with scrambled eggs. So I have my oven preheating on 180 degrees Celsius, which I think is about 375 Fahrenheit. This is all mixed in quite well. Here's my cans of boiling water, which I'm going to add in slowly and then mix as I do it. The boiling water is in now, so I've mixed it in. Next job is to pour this mixture over your bread and raisin mixture. You just try and cover all the little pieces of bread that you have in here. Now I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on, because I like cinnamon. Right, and now it's ready to go into the oven, and it's going to bake for about 45 minutes. And that's it. Easiest recipe ever. Now, time for some homemade sangria while I wait my 45 minutes for the bread pudding. And here you have it, out the oven. Beautiful bread pudding. Best ever, I swear. And it's a no-flop recipe. Easy, easy. You can do this at home. So time to dish up some. As you can see, absolutely spectacular. The crust at the top is like a little bit crunchy, which gives it texture, and then the inside is moist and soft. It's beautiful. You can have this with ice cream or cream or custard or just plain like this. The link for the detailed recipe is in the description below. And if you can like and comment and subscribe to my channel, that will be amazing. You'll be helping a very old lady grow her little YouTube channel. So take care, and I'll see you on my next adventure.